Now we're going to do some brushing of our meridians. Now, if you've been doing the class with me in term 1, you will recognize this form, and it's really easy, and it's something that you can do for yourself at any time if you're feeling a little bit stressed or anxious. If you can't sleep, this is a really great way of supporting yourself or somebody else. So when we talk about brushing meridians, it's simply applying some light pressure to our body. But we always want to do this when we're in Qigong awareness. So what are we doing when we're in Qi awareness? We want to breathe all the way down into our lower belly. So we're breathing in through our nostrils, into our belly and pausing, and then slowly exhaling. Feeling our body relaxing as we do that, breathing in. Slowly breathing out. Good. Feeling the tongue on the roof of the mouth, the eyebrows are raised, noticing a smile there. And when our belly and our breath are moving in time with each other, that's when we know that it's time to start. Our body's relaxed. So we're going to start by brushing our left arm. So I'm going to place mine here so you can see it. You don't need to hold it up, but we're going to take our right arm and we're just going to brush all the way up, coming all the way up to the shoulder, turning our arm over, and then brushing down all the way to the tips of the fingers. Beautiful. That's one. So then we're going to coordinate this with our breath. So breathing in, turn the arm over and breathing out. Going up the outside of the arm, turn the arm over and coming down the inside of the arm. Good. That's 3. We're going to do 6 more in your own time, but I want you to focus on your breath. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. That's 6. We've got 3 more. Breathing in and turning the arm over, breathing out. And there's 1 more. Good. And now I want you to close your eyes. Sit with both of your hands facing up in your lap and just feeling what's happening in your body. I'm noticing that my left arm, the arm that I did brush, feels a bit heavier, feels a bit more relaxed. That my 2 index fingers are sort of tingling, and I notice also that the palms of my hands are tingling. You may or may not notice any of those feelings, or you may notice completely different ones, and that's all good too. So now we're going to even up our bodies and we're going to brush the other side. So here's my left arm, and I'm going to brush up the outside of my arm, turning my arm over, and I'm brushing all the way down my arm. Good. Breathing in, turn the arm over and brushing down. Relaxing the body, breathing deeply, turning the arm over. And once you've got it, it's a good time to close your eyes so that you're focused on what you're doing. Slow, deep breathing. 4 more to go. Good. And when you've finished, I want you to place both of your hands in your lap again, or facing up in your lap, closing your eyes, breathing deeply into your belly. Notice if both of your arms feel the same. Notice if you've got buzzing or tingling. Notice if they feel heavier. Notice if they feel more relaxed. Your back may feel relaxed. Your chest may feel relaxed. Your neck and shoulders. Or not. It may feel more tense, and that's okay too. Now, the reason why that's okay is that sometimes when we start relaxing a part of our body, we notice there's tension in another part of our body. So we don't want to name it, and we don't want to call out too much attention to it. We just want to simply notice it and keep breathing. We'll be doing more meridian brushing as the weeks go on. And meridian brushing is a really great way to move energy through your body and help increase your the blood flow to those parts of your body, to help clear blockages that may be there, and to help bring relaxation and a beautiful, soft, lovely feeling in your body.